Knowledge 21 is right around the corner, and there's no better way to kick off the experience than attending Now Learning Live, a virtual online training event that will propel your ServiceNow skills to the next level. This pre-conference offering is taking place May 4th through the 6th, where you can complete an instructor-led course and receive a voucher for certification. Get hands-on practice with labs, connect with fellow industry professionals, and enhance your business skills with Power of You discussion sessions. This premium event will also include an inspiring speaker presentation, an opportunity to get a professional headshot, and fun swag. You'll also get a Knowledge Connect Pass for Knowledge 21 that provides access to over 40 on-demand labs and live support and access to experts. Save the dates now, May 4th through the 6th. Don't miss Knowledge 21 Now Learning Live from ServiceNow. Get ready to learn flow it.